Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming permissions and the active input. Do this now. Open your VR platform settings, grant microphone access, and set the headset mic as default. Once done, make sure no other application is monopolizing audio, close or mute them. This prevents routing conflicts and echo. If the headset has a physical mute switch, verify it isn't engaged. These steps guarantee the system can capture your voice, which is the foundation for everything that follows. Now focus on the VR app itself. Set both input and output to the exact headset device. Match sample rates if the option exists, such as 44. 1 kHz to avoid resampling artifacts. Reduce incoming voice gain and nudge your mic gain up until levels are clear but not clipping. Choose push-to-talk or voice activity detection based on your environment. Push-to-talk prevents background noise, while VAD is simpler for casual use. Test these settings with someone. Finish by validating your network and system services. Check NAT type and packet loss. Switch to wired or 5 GHz Wi-Fi to lower latency and jitter. Restart audio services or the entire device and apply driver or firmware updates for the headset. Retest with another user to confirm success. If you still hear issues, collect logs, try toggling sample rates, or plug in a simple USB mic to isolate hardware faults. Key troubleshooting tip. If audio drops or distorts, swap to wired networking first. It fixes most packet-related voice issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.